Teachers and schools are very busy, but technology makes everything faster. So the boffins at A2 Connect have created a new whizzy online tool to help teachers and artists work together, so classrooms can be less like this and more like this.
So what we've developed is this online tool where it shares the opportunities that we bring. So a school has an opportunity for an artist, artists have opportunities for schools. And we're really excited that this tool will make it easier for artists and teachers just to connect themselves.
I think when technology is given to you as a teacher, it's got to be fast. You're marking, you're doing other stuff. So if it's going to be usable, it's got to be user-friendly. And the new app is really user-friendly. It allows you to link with people straight away.
I've got lots of ideas of things I want to do, but actually having a list of all the practitioners and all the artists in one place that I can just search through is really going to help me out and really make sure that these activities actually happen for the students.
So if you are an artist or a teacher, create your profile at a2connect.org and start meeting people who can make your projects happen.